Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 723, chapter Not to Dread the Council. A king of a country used to wake up early morning and see the sunrise daily. One day, instead of seeing the sunrise, he had to see a person seeking alms. Angered king turned back suddenly and he hit his head in the wall and sustained bleeding injury. His anger wasn't due to this, because he saw first the person seeking alms instead of sunrise on that day. He had to sustain bleeding injury, and hence he ordered him be brought to the palace immediately. He was brought before the king. The king did not inquire him and ordered to hang him. The person did not worry about that and he laughed at the king. The king, with an angry tone, inquired into the reason for his laugh. "Dear king, today as soon as I woke up, I saw the palace and hence I had to see you first. Because you saw me, you sustained bleeding injury. But because I saw you first, I am going to lose my life. So, hereafter people will come to a conclusion that if they wake up and see the king, then they will also lose their lives. The entire country will ridicule, saying that our king is a very lucky person." Thinking on this line, I laughed, the alms seeker said. Hearing these words, the king understood the truth in him, regretted his mistake, and released the alms seeker, besides appreciating him for his intelligence. There are several people who will intrude into the enemy's army in the battlefield and fight till the war ends. But only a few would have courage to speak in front of the people with wisdom. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in his Thirukkural as follows. "பகையகத்து சாவார் எளியர் அரியர் அவையகத்து அஞ்சாதவர்." I recite. பகையகத்து சாவார் எளியர் அரியர் அவையகத்து அஞ்சாதவர். Fear to face the crowd is shameful. Brave enough to face the crowd is blissful. Thank you very much. Indeed. Nandri. Vanakkam.